Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the Ps5 and removing any paired devices. Once done, use a Phillips #00 to remove the 4 screws on the back and set them in your labeled container so you won't mix lengths. Next, insert a plastic pick at the seam and pry gently. You want controlled pressure to release clips without cracking the shell. Make sure to loosen corners first. This prevents stress on internal ribbon cables and keeps the internal board aligned as you ease the halves apart. Once the halves are separated, disconnect the battery connector to avoid shorts, then remove the inner shield screws to expose buttons and sticks. You'll want to transfer the touchpad, D-pad, face buttons, and analog stick modules into the new shell. Take photos as you go so orientation is correct when reassembling. Carefully lift ribbon cables with a spudger and unclip connectors. This is delicate, so move slowly. Reseat each ribbon snugly and verify tactile switch alignment before closing the. After transferring parts, reconnect the battery and align the front and back shells. Press them together until all clips engage and the seam is flush. Reinstall the 4 external screws with light, even torque to avoid striping plastic. Power on and pair with your console, then systematically test every button, stick, trigger, and the touchpad. If something fails, reopen and inspect ribbon seating and button contacts. Often a loose cable or a slightly misaligned switch is the culprit, so reseat components and retest before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.